Hey everyone! If you've just purchased a Steam gift card and you're trying to figure out how to redeem it online, don't worry. The process is super simple once you know where to go. Just follow along and you'll have your balance added to your Steam wallet in no time. First, log into your Steam account using the Steam app or a web browser. Once you're logged in, head to your account name in the top right corner of the screen and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. This will take you to the area where you manage your wallet and payments. Next, look for the option that says Add Funds to your Steam wallet and click it. Once you're on that page, you'll see the option labeled Redeem a Steam Wallet Code. Go ahead and click on that button. Now, type in the Steam wallet code from your gift card exactly as shown. If you purchased it from My Gift Card Supply, this is where you'll paste the code they sent you. After entering your code, Steam may ask you to add a US billing address to complete the activation if your card region requires it. A common example that many people use is P.O. Box 28393, Beverly Hills, CA 90210. Once you submit the information, the balance will be added to your Steam wallet automatically. And that's it. You've successfully redeemed your Steam gift card and you're ready to shop for games, DLCs, skins, or anything else available on Steam. If this guide helped you out, make sure to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more easy tutorials and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and let me know what you're planning to buy with your Steam balance.